Good morning, Nerdfighters International. Today be May 7th, 2008, and I am vlogging on the Barcelona subway, going back home for my university class. And as you can see, I am vlogging mentally instead of vlogging verbally, because if I was speaking aloud in the subway, I'd get a lot of weird stares, and I wish there was someone with me to do the taping while I talk, because it would look a lot less awkward, especially to the people who are sitting in the subway. But I'm all on my own, so you'll have to do with my telepathic vlogging abilities. Well, I guess this fulfills the challenge. I am vlogging from the subway, but still I gotta show you some pictures of the play. I hope you like them. I was surprised that no one was going for the public transportation challenge. Instead, both Caitlin and Mike have done the happiest day one, and I think it is much harder for me. I mean, it would be impossible for me to say which my happiest day was. Very hard. I can't say, really. So I guess I went for the easy challenge. Well, it's not that easy. You don't know the mental strain that telepathical vlogging puts on your head. Well, that was all for today. Well, as always, have doing it mentally doesn't make it any easier. Have a What's It Wednesday, and don't forget to be awesome.